Good morning. My name is Christine Krause, and I'm a meteorologist at the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Amarillo, Texas. In this weather briefing, we'll cover the winter storm that will impact our area starting today and continuing into tomorrow. So what are we looking at with the storm system? Well, we're looking at accumulating snowfall likely with up to a foot of snow possible in the northwestern Texas Panhandle. And in the Amarillo Canyon area, looking at snowfall totals of about 8 to 9 inches by the time the storm is said and done with by tomorrow. Snow should start out this morning in the western Oklahoma Panhandle and the northwestern Texas Panhandle, while the remainder of the area, precipitation will start out as rain, but then we'll switch over to snow later this afternoon. And snow will continue into tonight, where the heaviest burst of snow is expected tonight and into early Thursday morning. The snow should gradually end during the day on Thursday. The heavy snowfall and the combination of strong winds this evening can create hazardous travel conditions. Here is a map of the current warnings and advisories that are in effect for the Texas and Oklahoma Panhandles. Roughly the western two-thirds of the area are under a winter storm warning, and this means up to 6 inches of snow or greater are expected in this area, whereas over the eastern Texas and Oklahoma Panhandles, looking at more lighter amounts, especially since precipitation type will be rain for a little bit longer period of time, so they'll cut down on the snowfall totals. But anywhere about 3 to 5 inches of snow is expected in this area. So here's a look at the timing of the precipitation. By noon, you could see snow spreading across a good part of the area, and it really continues by 6 p.m. today, and the brighter colors, more the yellows, indicate some heavier snowfall. And by Thursday morning, you could see the axis of the heavy snow pushing off to the south and east, and by noon, looks like the Oklahoma Panhandle and a good part of the northern and central Texas Panhandle should see snow winding down greatly. So the probability of winter weather hazards, fortunately with this system, it looks to be mainly a heavy snow event. There's really no threat for an ice storm, and the threat for any freezing drizzle and sleet looks to be pretty low. Okay, the timing of the onset of the snowfall this morning, as previously mentioned, will be over the northwestern sections of the area, with later arrival by about 3 p.m. elsewhere. Our forecast confidence is very high on precipitation chances. That looks to be a pretty good bet. We have a medium confidence on the snowfall amounts, and our confidence overall is pretty high on the timing and precipitation type. Hey, as I previously mentioned, here's some storm total snowfall accumulations we're expecting. Again, look at that, about a foot of snow over the northwestern area of the Texas Panhandle. Okay, accumulating snowfalls, again heaviest in the western panhandles, with reduced visibilities and hazardous travel very possible everywhere. We should see northeast winds increasing by about 15 to 25 miles per hour by Thursday morning. And with temperatures at or below freezing, that is why our confidence is pretty high that this will be a main snowfall event. So thank you for listening to this briefing, and for any additional information, be sure to visit our website at www.weather.gov/AMA, and also take note of the phone numbers for the latest on road conditions. And also please be sure to visit our Facebook page, and any comments on Twitter, especially snowfall totals, are greatly appreciated. Thank you, and be careful out there.